Hey, hi, Surabhi. Good evening.
Hello, sir.
You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you remembered anything about Excel or not?
Yesterday we did that thing.
Not, not yesterday. In previous also we discussed
And previous, like what topic?
about Excel, what are the format options, how to create rows, how to adjust column lengths.
Yeah, I know those things. The column size, row size, those things.
Yes.
Yeah,
How the Excel and what type of options are there, how to adjust the size and all those things we discussed. Okay.
yeah. I know, sir, how to adjust the size and those things. I just practiced yesterday based on your uh, that
Before that,
like.
you don't know, Surabhi.
No, I don't remember, sir.
Okay. MS Excel introduction. This Excel has a capacity. For example, if you see this thing, this is the data.
Mm.
This is a row, this is a column. This entire thing is called as a row. This
Yeah.
entire thing considered as a column.
Yes, sir.
The intersection of rows and columns is nothing but considered as a cell.
Cell. Yeah.
Okay. Now you need to remember one thing. You have a multiple options in Excel, multiple tabs. Each and everything is called as a ribbon
Hmm.
and toolbar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you observe, if you want to select a specific cell, you need to click with the mouse.
Hmm.
This particular cell in this form is called as the active cell.
Hmm.
If you want to select the entire sheet, you need to click on the triangle in the left side corner.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are when you are entering the data, it is crossed that line, but it is you are able to see. If you want to adjust the
Yeah.
width of that particular column, you need to go to here and you need to click it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to adjust this height, you
Yes,
need
sir.
to drag it and you need to adjust it.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if you want to fix this, if you double click on it, it will adjust.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to do any formatting options, for example, if you want to do any formatting options, you can go through this. For example,
We have.
alignment, in which place it need to be aligned.
Yes.
To see that alignment, I'll show you. For example, you see,
Yeah. Top, middle, center, top,
this
wherever
is
you
a
want.
horizontal alignment. This is
Hmm.
the vertical alignment.
Hmm.
Okay, combination of horizontal and vertical alignment, you can keep it anywhere you want to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to keep it text as a bold, this
Yeah.
one,
Yes, sir.
italic, this one, underline, this one. If you want to
Yeah.
unselect, you need to double click on it. If you want to fill that particular background with the color, the
Yes, sir.
mug symbol which you need to use. If you want
Okay.
to change the text color,
Hmm.
you need to use the font. We want to increase the font size,
Yeah.
the
This.
triangle upwards. If you want to decrease the size, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to change the font,
Yeah.
these are the options. If you want to increase the size, these are the options.
Hmm.
Okay, and cut, copy, paste. You
Yeah.
know, right?
This.
How to
Yeah. This I know.
Control X, Control Z, Control V, Control C, all
Yes,
those
sir.
things.
Right.
For example, here,
Yeah. These things are right.
and this particular thing is in another format. Okay. For
Mm.
example, you have any reference. The remaining content also you want to change into that particular format. Then you need to select the first one and you need to select the format painter and you need to select
Mm.
what type of text you want to convert into the previous one.
Mm-hmm.
Format painter will be useful for that. Okay.
You're copying the format.
Yes. You're
Okay.
copying the existing format into wherever you require.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, these are the basic things. And for example, if you see the length is not adjusted,
Wrap
you are
text.
you are expecting you want to adjust this particular text. You need to use the wrap text.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, here you don't want to mix all these things. So that is the
Yes.
reason you are merging all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
This is the merging. This is the wrapping.
Mm.
Right. For
Yeah.
example, 123.456. If you want to increase
Mm.
the decimals, that is, if you want to decrease the decimals, this is increase the decimals, decrease the decimals. If you want to change it into percentage, you need to click on this.
Mm.
If you want, this is the currency symbol. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, 1 second.
So, based your Excel,
Sorry,
whatever topic you said, in that Excel file, so
user
that
interface,
yeah, isn't it?
inserting, deleting columns and cells.
Yeah, these.
1 second, not that one. For example, if you see, this is the data. One, okay, this is the data.
Mm.
Now, if you want to insert a column in between these things, insert,
Yeah. Mhm.
okay,
Yes, sir.
insert. For example, if you want to insert a row, you need to
Yeah.
go to here and you need to insert a row.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you want to click on it here and you can delete the content or you can delete. If you select the delete, you will get it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column, entire row. If I select entire row, the 11 will be eliminated. Okay. And the
Yes.
remaining columns are replaced that particular thing. For example, here I selected the delete and the entire column is selected, I performed. Entire column deleted. And the right side values are adjusted to left side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you
Yes.
want to delete just a cell, just you see, shift cells left.
Yeah, it will delete and then right. Yeah. Right.
Okay. For
Mm.
example, here, if you see, shift cells up. What happened?
Yeah, the cells deleted and then
That particular value is removed in that cell and the below cells are moved to top.
okay.
Okay. Here, if you see, once again, I'm showing shift cells left. What is the meaning of it?
Insert cell
See.
remove that will move to left.
Okay. There is no value at here, right? So that is the reason here
Mm.
also there is no value. For
Mm.
example, if you see, once again, I'm performing this, delete cells, shift cells left. Like how the shift cells up will be working, this is the left. Nothing but you're deleting that value in that cell, and the remaining beside to the data is moving into that particular position.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm, Modify column rows and freeze panes. Okay. So you are updating these things.
Yes, sir.
Then when you updated,
Yesterday.
you know this thing freeze panes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I know this. Fish.
Okay. Paste special.
Paste is special, sir. I tried, but yeah. Let me just explain.
For example, you cut the data.
Hmm.
Okay. And paste special is not highlighted.
Hmm.
Okay. But if you see the paste special, what is the meaning of it? Paste special.
It's just simple paste.
Sorry.
It is just simple paste. Like it's moving the data from one place to other place. Like as we use the simple paste, is this the same in paste special?
No, no, no. For example, I
Hmm.
selected this thing.
Hmm.
You're able to see paste options.
Yes.
What you will do generally, you will copy the data or you will cut the data and you will paste it
Huh.
regularly.
Right.
Okay. But paste special give you some advanced options. Paste special will give you some advanced options like certain types of data are related to specific format,
Hmm.
or you can able to uh, uh, for example, any formulas you are pasting it. One second, I'll show you. This is the table. I'm removing this entire data. This is column A, and this is a one. Now I'm creating a column B. That column B is
Hmm.
1 to the power of 2. Okay. Now I'm copying these values, and when I'm pasting it, now it is enabled. If you can see,
Yes.
if you want to paste, if you use simply paste, if you want to see directly only numbers, but there is no formula. If you can check, and another one is the formula only. What is this formula?
Oh, to the power. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, for example, if you see what it is changing rows to column and columns to rows.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for example, you select this data
Hmm.
and copy it and paste special, select this thing. This is a transpose functionality.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And next one is the paste link.
The link of that column.
But here that is not allowable, right? Okay. Is it
Hmm.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Working on sheets. You know what is the meaning of sheet?
Sheet. Sheet is this combination of rows and cells. We
No.
are working on that.
This entire Excel thing is called as a workbook, and these are called as the sheets.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
sheet 1. If you want to create a sheet, you can create like this,
Hmm.
sheet 2. Okay. If you
Yes, sir.
want to give any color, you can give color. You can delete or insert or rename or move or tab color. I'm selecting red. Tab color. I'm selecting yellow.
Hmm.
Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 data. This data is there. Okay. I just move and copy and delete are different things. Remember,
Hmm.
move or copy. Okay. Move or copy. I am selecting to where
Okay.
I'm selecting sheet 1.
Yeah.
Create a copy. I am asking create a copy. I am not asking to move.
Hmm.
What happened?
Yeah. One
It,
more.
it is creating a copy with these values. Okay, see, in the sheet
Hmm.
2 and sheet 2 copy, same values. For example, if I'm selecting move or copy and into which sheet 1 I selected, you're able to see sheet
Sheet
1 is
one.
there,
Hmm.
sheet 1 is there. Okay, now I want to disappear this particular move or copy and uh, which one move or copy to book 2. Okay, this is the book 2 and this particular thing into
Sheet two.
sheet 2.
Two.
Okay, one second,
It's not.
one second. Okay, if you want to see the thing, for example, you see sheet 1. I'm
Hmm.
selecting move or copy. Move selected sheets. Okay, to, for example, uh, I'm selecting Intuites to move to end and create a copy on it. You're able to see that is and one Excel. This is one Excel worksheet workbook.
Okay. So.
To move or copy sheets from one workbook to another workbook.
Okay. Not from one sheet to another sheet.
Yes, not from one sheet to another sheet. One workbook to another workbook. Okay, I'm
And
removing
it
it.
was giving an option to when we are moving. It was giving an option of sheet one, sheet two, sheet three.
For example, see this one, sheet one. We are moving it.
Oh, now.
To
Yeah.
which we are moving to book two. Okay, I'm not asking to create a copy. You're able to see in the
Hmm.
Intuites Excel, there is no that particular copy.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Basic formulas in Excel and find and select and basic formulas in Excel. Right. Keep this thing. Data references, total text functions, rounded functions. Logic data functions, protecting cells. Protecting cells, you understood yesterday,
Yes, sir. Oh. Hmm.
and index matching, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, conditional formatting, date time functions, pivot tables,
Yeah, I understood, sir. I forgot.
pivot charts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Power query in Excel, Power query in Power BI when we are discussing.
Yes, sir. That was clear. Is it same in this?
Yes, Power query is same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and Excel dashboard. Okay, we didn't build the dashboard. Now, Laplace and filters. Okay, see now. things which are remaining for you. Copying formulas without changing the cell reference, absolute, mixed and relative, subtotals, text functions, round off functions, logical and comparative functions, text to columns, split functions, text before function, and how to use if function, logical functions, database functions, conditional lookup, conditional formatting, date functions, Excel dashboard, and okay. We'll go with the mm, basic formulas in Excel.
Okay.
We'll discuss some formulas in Excel. I'm deleting all these things which I created
Like
unnecessarily.
sum, or these are the basic functions.
Sorry.
Like is it auto sum, and these are the basic functions.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm creating a sheet. Okay. For example, here I'm taking some specific data. You can see um, hi, comma, comma, another number, comma, and okay. For example, if you see, if data will be like this,
Mm.
then you can filter this data and you can clean this data and you can arrange it in a proper format. What's the meaning of proper format?
Text or number.
You need to you need to separate each and every value which are separated by comma or at the rate or space or tab
Mm.
into
Okay. Yeah.
different columns. For example, if you see here, you are when you are how many values are there in this particular cell? One, two, three, four values, right?
Mm.
Right?
Yes.
So if you see this particular one, you are able to see the text to columns.
Okay. Mm.
If you choose the text to columns, what is the delimiter? Okay. Here the delimiter is what?
Comma.
Comma. You're able to see?
Yes. Mm.
This is the text to columns.
Okay.
Okay. And for example, one, two, two, three, three. This is the data. If you select this one and if you ask to remove the duplicates, you can see select all or unselect all. Select all or unselect all. I'll
Select
show
all.
you. Select all. It removed the duplicates.
Oh, okay.
11 duplicate values found and removed, 11 unique values remained.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, once again, I'm doing C.
And select all.
Okay. See now,
Mm.
my header. This is the header. I'm selecting this entire data and I am removing the duplicates. Now I'm selecting my data has a header and unselect all. You're able to got anything?
Unselect
Anything
all.
happened? Nothing, right? For example, you see one for the reference I am showing you the serial number.
Mm.
I selected this data and remove the duplicates. Expand the selection, continue the current selection. Expand the selection, continue with the current selection, remove the duplicates. Okay. 16 duplicates found and 6 are unique values remaining. Got it?
Yeah, this was for selected, but when we say unselected,
Unselected means nothing. If you are not selecting anything, what is going to happen?
it won't open. Mm.
For example, you have a 6, one more value. I'll show you detailedly one more time.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
remove the duplicates. Continue with the current selection. Remove the duplicates. Unselect all. What is
Mm.
happening? Columns. For example, you have a multiple columns. For example, head, rail, common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. For example, if you see, I'm selecting this particular entire data and I am selecting removing the
Mm.
duplicates. All are selected, right?
Yes.
If unselect, you can select whatever you want. To select the columns. For example, if I select only one column, what happened? Only values in that particular column. Now I'm selecting the tail column. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Along with that, the remaining also.
Yeah. You just selected this time trail.
Yes, I selected that tail.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
And now, for example, I'm showing you numbers is my column name. Okay. 1, 2, fill the series. Now I want to perform serial number and 1. And if you click default, you'll get it series 31. I want to identify, I'll tell you some common functions.
Mm.
Okay. Sum, count, average, max, min.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
And after that, we'll discuss some more advanced concepts. Okay. Some how you will do it. You can type some automatically. You will get it after after inserting the is equal to. You'll double click on this and you need to select the entire range.
Mm.
You will get this count. Just try to type this one and automatically you will get it. You need to double click on it and you can select that length. How many values are there in it? It will give you
Mm.
average. Average is nothing but mean.
Yeah. Okay.
Average you need to select.
Okay.
What is the average of this entire data set?
Mm.
What is the maximum value in it?
Yeah. Okay.
Max function. Which one is the biggest? That one will you give you the
Mm.
result. Minimum. You need to insert is equal to. Then only the formulas will be available. What is the minimum value? You need to get
Yeah.
1.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now we look into if and concatenate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you will use if,
If is for conditions, if you want to give some conditions,
mhm,
like if the number is greater than 15, then
okay. For example, I'm showing you. See result. I'm writing a formula. You can write the formula at here, or otherwise this is also considered as a formula bar. Here I'm writing it. If I selected the if. Okay. If what I want to check this particular number greater than 9, greater than 9, this is my condition is completed. But then after that, we need to give the true. Okay. If that condition is passed, what is the display? Okay. This is this is a string, right? I need to give it in a text quote in quotes. This number greater than 9. Okay. And after that, we need to give that false value. What it need to display if that particular condition fails. This number is less than 9. And then after that, finally, what you need to do? You need to close the bracket. What is this? You got a result. If you want to apply the entire formula to the entire data, just you need to double click.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you need to drag it. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is how we will write if formula. Okay.
Okay.
Is it
So
clear?
if we drag it, it is just like for the other cell which is not greater than 9, it is still showing it's greater than 9.
No. See this one. Up to 9, the number is less than
Oh,
9.
right, right, right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The number is greater than 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I am using a concatenation. What is the meaning of the concatenation?
It
To
just
add something, right? Here, here I am using this thing and I'm using the concatenate function. And what I want to concatenate 1, comma, this one. I want to concatenate this thing. You're able to see?
yes, sir. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Or we can give some space between the
If
so
you
the
want to give a space, how you will give?
I think
For example,
C2.
how you will give?
Yeah,
How you will give?
after C2. Oh, right. Good. Yeah, double quotes. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If you want to give any symbol also, you can give. No problem in it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Clear.
These are concatenation operations. We'll check what we covered. Okay, these are the some of the basic formulas which we'll use.
Hmm.
If function and how to use if function and basic formulas. Copying formulas without changing the reference cell subtotal. Okay, right. Mm, okay, now we'll see the next things. Okay, for example, if you see, now I'll tell some specific functions. It will be very easy for you. Now, see this one. I'm using some text functions. Okay, in the text functions, this is especially I'm using for left is equal to left. Okay, left. This is my text. And how many number of characters I want? Only one character. I'm closing it.
Uh,
Okay. If you want to apply the formula to the entire data, this way.
like if we have two names, first name and last name, will it be useful there?
If those are separated with the space, that is another case.
Uh,
Previously, I told you, right? Text to columns.
yes, yes, text to column.
This is especially for the specific number of characters from the left side or right side or from the middle. For example, now I'm using the right side function. Here, I'm selecting last three letters. Right side. The text is this one. Once again, I'm saying I'm selecting four. Right side, four letters. You're able to see space is also considered as a character.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
You can simply imply in the formula. And another one is middle. For example, see same mid. And once again, the text is this one and middle five. I want to select. You have entered a few arguments. Okay, right. Middle start number. Okay. I am starting from second character until uh, sixth character. I want this.
Hmm.
What is there in it? Second to sixth
Second to
spaces only,
sixth.
right?
Yes.
Spaces
Oh,
only. Just you see.
yes, sir.
Second to sixth only spaces.
Mm.
Wherever these are the values in this, you go, okay, I'm changing it from ninth to 13th. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, mm, text to columns
Yes.
completed. Text split function. Um, text split function.
Mm.
For example, this is there. Okay, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data. And this is the product the sheet and unproduct the sheet. Protecting how to protect the sheets and how to unprotect the sheets.
Mm.
Is that remarked?
Hello.
Yes. I'm looking.
No.
What are the things will be covered in this 10 minutes? Okay. Now we need to discuss index function, match functions, and lookup functions, and conditional formatting and date and time functions.
Conditional formatting, I think it's based on the color. If it's based on the
Yes, these are
formatting.
the function. These are the things which we need to discuss.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Logical and comparative operators. Uh, if it's possible to you, you
Yes.
can join in that 10:30 session at least
Hmm.
after 1 hour or after half an hour.
Okay, sir. So
Okay.
what we are
Today
going to
also we are going to cover that things only. So this thing will be completed in 45 minutes at there also. But if I start lookups, I need to complete all these 4 lookups and index and match and formatting, data formation, conditional formatting. If I tell all these 4 and 2, 6 and 7 at one time, this will be get a clear understanding.
Okay, so these all lookup and conditional formatting. These your
Index function, match function,
mm,
lookups and conditional formatting. These 6
okay.
functions need to cover at the same time. Okay.
Mm.
And that's it. The remaining things we'll discuss. If it's possible, you can join.
So actually, so that time I go to school. That's why. Otherwise, I was good with that timing. That's the reason. So 9 to 1,
Okay.
I'm not
It's your
available.
wish.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's.
okay, sure.
I will try to look the videos if I could understand that.
Okay. And try to look into that videos. And
Yeah.
can you please mark yourself
Yes,
into
yes.
this? Based on that, based on that, remaining tomorrow we'll discuss. In this class, in this today's class, I'll discuss all the 6 functions.
Hmm. Okay, sir. And up, okay,
Okay.
with those upside, yeah, these filling and copying, I have all these.
You're able to see, right? You're able to see. I'll tell you. I'll mark it. If those topics are marked it here, then
Hmm.
those will be completed for
Okay.
their batch.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm,
sir.
yes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.